Well, good morning. It's Saturday, the 2nd of December, and I'm out with Brian up in the Arrochar Alps to do a Corbett called Ben Donich. We're currently about 50 minutes into it. Winter is certainly here. Definitely back in Glasgow, there was must be 2 inches of snow fell in Glasgow. Not as bad up here, probably just ground frost, heavy frost. The start of the path, total ice rink, very dangerous. Higher up you get, it seems to be better. Obviously less water up here than there is down there. So I'll catch you further along. So it's currently at the just coming up to the 400 metre mark, so halfway. Had to put our spikes on. I was getting a bit sketchy. Definitely night and day with the spikes on, just to be micro spikes, but it's definitely making life that wee bit easier. I'm a wee bit optimistic here. I know we're deep in the clag. I said to Brian, I'm like, I think there's a beautiful cloud inversion up there. I'm just not seeing it yet, but hey ho, we'll see. Who am I kidding? Oh, here we go. I bet you just need to be a fucking leap of faith, mate. It's too long. Summit of Ben Donich. That took us 2 hours and 30 minutes. In a clag. Oh, there's a cloud inversion somewhere. I just don't think we're high enough for it.
Okay, man.
Cheers. That's us fed and watered. A wee bit of schoolboy error there. When I was packing my kit last night, I never checked how much gas I had in my stove. Luckily enough, there's enough just to get the temperature right. That's the gas can empty. I normally check these things, but I've been working all week, so I say last minute decision to take the stove with me. So I just put it in the bag, didn't even check it, so I know in future, check your gas. This is almost done, back at the car. All in with 5 hours, 20 minutes, and we just come up for the 6 mile mark. Thoroughly enjoyed the day, brilliant mountain. First time I've been up there, Ben Donich, really enjoyed it. Even in the clag, a view would have been nice, but I didn't mind it in the clag either. If you've managed to watch it this far, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.